Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your request is pending error on Instagram. If Instagram displays your request is pending message, it usually means Instagram is temporarily reviewing an action on your account or has placed a restriction due to unusual activity. First, you need to open to your Instagram and you can simply close it off and you can reopen again. Then you can also check for your stable internet connection. In the top right, you can check for your internet connection, turn on or off your Wi-Fi here as well, and tap on the turn on again. And if the issue still continues, you need to open to Instagram and you can scroll all the way to the bottom, and over here you need to choose to log out to your account as well and select logout. And in some cases, you'll simply need to wait for the Instagram's review process to finish. And this step usually resolve your request is pending, error, and restore normal account functionality. And that is it. That's how to fix your request is pending error on Instagram.